I am Aubrey Pienaar. I'm the chairman of iPlan Global, and our company is putting together an online discussion about business systems for people who have grown their business from small beginnings to the point where they may need to consider more formal systems that are more independent of the principals. If that sounds familiar to you, I'd like to invite you to register for this discussion, where we'll talk about why you need to formalize your business systems at some point in your growth curve, how to do that, and what we are talking about. Please register for our online discussion.